Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach at the Grand Strand Brewery. Let's go drink some beer.
So if you're unfamiliar with where the Grand Strand Brewing Company is located, it's right here at 9th Avenue on Highway 17. Here's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs of beer.
I had the cider blood orange.
Well, there's a quick look at the Grand Strand Brewing Company right here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.